close.
Good morning, guys. So today I wanted to do for you my weekend morning routine. This is going to be a real routine. I've just woken up. I'm not gonna be all cute and have the camera getting, yeah, there's no camera there while I'm asleep. Wake up and check my phone and all of that you see. This is going to be really the real as fuck how I really get up. So right now I'm crusty. I literally just sat up and grabbed my camera and decided to do this. I have not brushed my teeth or anything.
Well, if you don't get...
So the first thing I'm going to do is make my bed and then go in the bathroom and get myself together. My face. I'm going to take my Neutrogena foaming cleanser, and I like this because it's a makeup remover and a cleanser all in one. So by me wearing makeup, it gets makeup from like around my eyes and like eyeliner that's stubborn and mascara. It really gets it off your face. So I'm going to find somewhere to set you guys up, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, brush my teeth. If you guys want to see what products I use to do my face routine, I will do a full face routine video for you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Right now I'm going to figure out a setup. And yeah, use some nice tissue paper right there, just like that. Yep. And it needs to be a little taller. Oh, one more row. Now I'm going to brush my teeth and put in my contacts because I can't see anything. Okay. I don't want to disgust you guys, so I'm going to fast forward this part because brushing teeth is disgusting to watch for me. So I'm not going to make you guys suffer through it. So now I'm going to put in my contacts because I am blind and I need to see. Okay. These color contacts are not for show, trust me. I need them. And voila. Alright, now that my face is clean, my teeth is brushed, it's time to go say hi to Jace. Hello, nephew. Say hello. Mwah. You took your bath. You're clean. Hi there. Let's play with your bear. Hi, Jace. Hi, Jace. Yeah. So I'm about to, you know, do my eyebrows and get dressed. So I don't talk in my beauty videos, so I feel like I owe you guys a conversation. So today my family is here. I'm excited because I haven't seen them in a couple years because they moved to Texas over like 6 years ago, I want to say. It's been a really long time, so we don't see each other that often. So they're here and we're gonna go to lunch, and I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it. I do want to do more vlogs because vlogs are fun, but I'm boring. Like, I work a lot, so I'm never doing anything, so I just feel like my vlogs would be really boring. But y'all let me know if y'all want me to vlog, and go watch my trip to Cozumel, Mexico if you have not. Those vlogs was lit. My next vlogs though, I'm gonna try not to cuss because I did a lot of cussing in those vlogs. Man, I didn't notice how much I cussed until I watched myself. I thought I could talk while I'm doing my makeup, but I really can't. Like, I feel like if I gotta talk, I need to stop. I cannot multitask when it comes to makeup. Okay, now to cover these bags under my eyes, I'm just going to take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand because it matches my skin tone more, so it's not going to really give me like a highlight. Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and do my face off camera, the rest of it, because I felt like it was kind of turning into a tutorial, and I'm like, no, it's not that. So I got dressed and just put on black leggings, a black shirt, and this burgundy cardigan to match my boots that I'm going to put on. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see those face routines. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I hope you enjoy yours.